Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to write an affidavit of support for immigration. This crucial document, Form I-864, is a legally binding contract where you, as the sponsor, promise to financially support an immigrant. It's typically required for most family-based and some employment-based immigration cases. Your commitment ensures the immigrant will not become a public charge, providing a vital safety net for their new life in the United States. To be a sponsor, you must be a United States citizen or a lawful permanent resident, at least 18 years old, and reside in the United States. Crucially, your household income must meet or exceed 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for your household size. For example, if you are active duty military sponsoring a spouse or child, this threshold is reduced to 100%. If your income falls short, a joint sponsor or assets can help meet this requirement. Preparing your affidavit of support involves gathering several key documents. You'll need your federal income tax returns for the most recent 3 years, along with all supporting schedules. Also, provide proof of current employment, like a letter from your employer or recent pay stubs. If you're using assets, include bank statements or property deeds. Carefully complete Form I-864, ensuring every section is filled out accurately and signed, as omissions can cause significant delays in the process. Once completed, submit Form I-864 and all supporting documents to the National Visa Center, or USCIS, following their specific instructions. Understand that your sponsorship is a significant, long-term commitment. It generally lasts until the immigrant becomes a United States citizen, works for 40 qualifying quarters, permanently leaves the United States, or passes away. As a sponsor, you are legally obligated to reimburse any means-tested public benefits the immigrant receives, underscoring the seriousness of this financial responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.